Guys, hi and welcome back. In this video I have the tool tips. Okay, so now I have the example. Enable tooltips everywhere. I will copy this part and paste it for the script. I will delete all of this and I will make a script here. Then I have the examples. This is the tooltips. When I hover, I will paste it here. Now I have this hover. Of course I can change the color. Here I can make it success and here to be warning, here primary, and here info. So here I have these colors. We got a problem here. Success. Okay. Now this is great. The next thing we have here is and with the custom HTML if I want, but it's okay. If you want just to change this tooltip on the left. The usage, we know how to use it now. The markup, the disabled. When I copy this part and paste it for here, now I cannot use it, the disable tooltip, but I think it is the same. Now I have, do we have something else? No, I do not have anything else. I have the helpers here, the clear fix. Let's see what the clear fix is, if we will need to do it. Example put and float right and this to be left. The following example shows how clear fix can be used. Without the clear fix, with the wrapping div would not spin around these buttons, which would cause a broken layout. If you want something to float on the left or right with the buttons, I do not think it is very helpful. Let's create a new folder. I will cut this part. Here I will create a new folder for it is called what? It is called helpers. Here helpers. Drag this folder into the Visual Studio Code. Now I have index.html, the starter template from the Bootstrap 5, documentation, starter template. I will delete the hello world and then I will open this folder into the Google Chrome. Open this into the Google Chrome. The next step is to add the content of the clearfix. I will copy this part and paste it for this code. I will refresh the page. We don't need this part. Now I have the example button floated left and example button floated right. I can change the background colors if I want. What if I make it the outline? Now I have this outline. Then let's make it into success. So here I have, we got a problem, the same problem. Success, great. The next thing we have, we are done with the clear fix. The colored links. If I want to color the links, the link primary, the link secondary, or anything I want, I will copy and paste it here. So here I have A, which ref of nothing, primary link, primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, light, and dark. Where are they? We didn't save. Okay, This is light, but I cannot see it because the background color is like this. Let's change the background color. So here, style, body, height of 200 pixels and width of 100%. Background color of I want it to be this color. Okay, this is okay. So now this is much easy to be seen. The next thing we have is the embed. Embed responsive. If I want to embed a video, I will show you how. Copy in the clipboard and paste it here. When I refresh here, now I have the video. But how I can make it? Here in the YouTube, let's search for Messy Skills YouTube. When I click here, waiting to be opened. What now? Here, I will cancel that. I will pause the video. We do not need it. Skip the ad. Okay. Pause the video. Here I have the share button. When I click on the share, I will click here on the embed. Now I can embed the video. I can copy all of that. I can copy this part and paste it instead of this source. I can delete the iframe and paste this one. When I refresh, here I have this video. When I click here, we got video is unavailable because it is back in with development, but it is okay. Now we know how to add a video by the embedding. The aspect ratio, if I want to make a ratio. This ratio, if I want it to be 21:9, let's make it like this. This will work if we are on a server. Then I have this one, or any size I want, it is okay. Then I have the position. If I want something to be fixed at top or bottom or stick it up, position an element to from edge to edge, but only after the scroll past it. Okay, let's make all of that and see what we have. Then I have this. You know, I do not think we will use this part because it's not okay. The screen readers. SR only. If I want to SR only. SR only stands for the server only. So nobody will read this. Just the server. When you put your website on a server, only you can read this because it is server only. The stretched link. Cards have position availability by default Bootstrap. When I click here, now it is the same, I think. Go somewhere if I want, but we will make all of that. Paste. Okay, now I have this. And then the next one I have is this card. The custom component with structured link. So now this is the structured link. I think we have a problem here, but it is okay. Because its position is relative. Then the next one, I have this one, the stretch it, the image on the right and the text on the left. The next thing I have is the identifying of containing block. If I want to make all of that, then I have this part. Great. Then I have the text truncation. Okay, the title here, I don't know what this language is. I think it is Spanish. I'm not sure. The inline label and the block label. If I want this have the display of block, and this have it has the CSS of display block, and this has the display of inline block. I will copy this part and paste it here. Okay, then we have this now. This is it's block, and this is inline block. Of course, you know the difference. Here I have the utility. The API key is for the backend web development. We don't need it, so we will not make this one. Here I have the additive, but let's first see what we have. The opacity, we know the opacity. These are the classes. We don't need all of that. The borders, the border top, right, bottom, left, the colors. If I want to change the background color path without, I want to change the background color and the color of the text. Here I have a different, an amazing library. I have the display. If I want to make the display block, inline block, or inline table cell, table row, flex, and inline flex. Here I have the flex. If I want to make the flex, inline flex, small, medium inline, large inline, x large inline, xx large, xx large inline flex, anything I want. Here I have the float. I just want to give you an introduction about all of that, and from the next section we will make all of that together. The pointer events. This is a pointer. This link can be clicked. This by default behavior. This link cannot be clicked on. This link has the PO, the class, and can be clicked. This cannot be clicked. The overflow of hidden or auto. That's it. Then I have the position of static, relative, absolute, fixed, sticky. I don't prefer using this. I prefer using this in the Bootstrap style of CSS. Here I have the box shadow. This box shadow is very easier for anyone who do not understand how to use the box shadow professionally. The sizing of 25, 50, 75, 100 or auto. I just have here 25 because I told you before about this. Then I have the spacing, the notation of the margin or the padding. I use the M for the margin and P for the padding. The T for the margin top, P for the bottom, large for the left, R for the right, X for set of the both of them, left and right, Y for the top and bottom, blank for the classes that set a margin or padding on all of 4 sides. Okay, this I don't need this. Then I have the text. Okay, the text align. I told you before, the text left, center, right, or small left. I cannot notice the difference, but it is okay. Then the text should be wrap. The word break. Then I have the vertical align. The vertical align. Okay. Then I have the visibility. Here I have the visibility. If I want to be visible to hidden or visible. Great. In the next video we will make all of that. Now we have the introduction for the utilities, and then I think we will be done. We just have a, we don't need this. We just need, I think, the extend, but I'm not sure we need the extend. Let's check it in the video. No, I don't need the extend. So the last section for our course is the utilities, and then we will build a project and the website. So good luck and have fun.